Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me Dr. Salman Khan. I hope so you all will be doing great. Who is new in the channel, kindly do subscribe the channel, like this video, and do comment me if you still there is any confusion at the end of the video. You can comment me. So let's get started. Today video is about how to make the CV resume for optometrist vacancy. Simple. I tell all my colleagues, friends, junior, everyone, whenever you are making a CV, try to make it only one page, very precise and limited things you should mention, and all the things what you know. Don't make it a fake CV. Don't enter anything fake things which you don't know. So you have to mention what you know, what is your clinical experience or optical experience. Mention everything genuinely. So simple. In the first part, for the CV, you just need your information like name, you have eligibility letter, or you have the license. You'll mention DHA eligibility letter, or you have DHA license optometrist. This should be the title. Then the second part is related to your education, like you will mention your Bachelor of Optometry degree, from which university you are graduated, and the dates of your graduation. Down it will be like your college from where you did your FSC, and then your school. So this is like the part for your education. Then down you will mention your experience. What is your relevant experience in the optometry field? So better, I will suggest not to mention all the experiences you are, like all the internships, and you are doing like 1 month or 2 months job in a clinic or optical setup. No need to mention this. Just mention what you submit for the DHA eligibility or exam, the 2 years experience. Just mention that one. And if you have only one internship in your college or university, so you can mention only that one. Don't make it very hard. Don't make too many clinical experiences or too many optical experiences, because who will be hiring you, they just need your basic 2 years or 3 years experience, the last 3 years experience. So no need to mention all the experiences from the day of graduation till now. So experience should be one or two. It's enough, more than enough. Then you will mention your skills, what you know about your field, like all the optometry skills you will just mention, like auto refractometry, slit lamp examination, contact lens fitting, about phoropter, pupillometer, color vision test. All you just mention all what you know about the test. Or if you work in a clinic or hospital, you know all about the diagnostic test, you can mention. No need to mention everything, and the test you even don't know and you didn't apply in your practice and you are mentioning here. So no need for that one. Just make it simple and precise. Then there is two categories. If you are applying for the optical setup in retail, so your CV should be all retail based. Like you should mention your clinical experience in retail, not in the hospital or clinic. You will just mention you work in the optical setups and you have experience in all, like refraction, about the glasses, contact lens. The experience should be related to the retail optical setups. So for hiring whoever you are applying for the optical setup, they will just see your experience and they will try to hire you. And the second part is like clinical or hospital. So if you are applying for a hospital post or in a clinic, so no need to mention your optical background, like you work in an optical setup or retail. No need. You will just mention your experience, what you have in the hospital or in a clinical clinical setup. So that experience will you mention. So it's very simple. Don't make it very hard. Don't mention anything extra, because I see some CVs, they make a lot of things which is not needed by the hiring authority. Whoever want to hire you, they just need your license, your degree, and your basic knowledge, what you know about the optical things and what you know about your field. So just mention the relevant experience, relevant things, what you know about your field. So try to make it only one page, easy and precise. So CV writing, it's not that much difficult. Don't confuse yourself. It's very easy. Just mention the basic, your education, all what you did. The main thing is optometry degree. Just mention your optometry degree. Second, the experience, what you have from last 3 years. No need to mention from all the experience you have, like from internship till now. No, just the 2 years or 3 years mandatory experience which you already submit it for your DHA data flow. So just mention that one, and just the basic things what you need about your field, what you know about your field, and try to make this CV only one page. If you have more experience and more knowledge and you're confident on yourself, it's okay for 2 pages, but the better thing is it should be one page. So the hiring authority, they will not filter from your CV, they will just see the CV, and they will just see what they need. If it is a hospital, they want to see the clinical experience and the clinical part. So better to mention for the hospital all the clinical knowledge you have and things you know about the clinical practice. And for optical or retail setup you are applying, so mention the experience only related to the optical setups or retail, what you know about the retail optometry and what you know about the skills about the glasses, contact lens, selling, upselling, all your knowledge about the optical setup you will mention here. So the hiring authority, when he see like you have this knowledge about the optics and all the field, everything related to the retail, they will hire you. So don't mix it up. There is only two categories. One is retail optometrist, one is clinical optometrist. So depends on you. If you are more knowledge, you have more knowledge in the clinic or hospital, you can apply for the clinical or hospital setup because you're more confident about the clinical things and the hospital things. But if your experience are more in retail, so you will mention only your retail experiences, all about the optical setups, and you will apply directly for the retail optometrist post and start applying for the post. So inshallah, if you are applying for any post and your CV is exactly the same what they need, they will hire you directly. But all the optometrists, what mistakes they are doing, they are applying for a retail post and they mention the experience all about the hospital and clinic. For retail, they don't want your clinical experience or hospital experience, they need your experience in the retail. Same in hospital, they are applying for a hospital post or clinic post and they mention their all experience related to the optics or retail. For hospital, they need your clinical skills, not your selling or optical skills. So I hope so this is clear for you guys now, and it will help you for making a CV. So still, if you have any doubts or any confusion, do comment me, message me on my Instagram. I'll share the Insta link. Try to message me on Instagram, and do subscribe the channel. Try to share with all the optometry colleagues, students, your friends, everyone, because I'm trying to help all the optometrists all over the world. I'm trying to help them, and we can excel in our optometry field and make it the best field ever. Thank you so much for watching the video. So that's the end of the video. I hope so you liked today's video. Just hit the like, to comment me, and please do subscribe the channel and share the channel with all your optometry colleagues, students, seniors, juniors, whoever is related to optometry. Just share with them.